I'm out here at a job today in Caringbah for an Optus customer. They've just gone over to NBN FTTC, fibre to the curb, and they're not having any luck. 3.5 months they've had the service supposedly connected, but they're not getting any internet come through. All the lights on the connection device come on, and the internet light does come on periodically on the actual gateway itself, but there's actually no internet passing from it. So they originally thought it was a problem with the Hills hub, had that bypassed. So first thing I did today was I tested the cable between here and the looker box, and that's testing fine. I thought, oh, well, just for goodness sake, we'll just swap it over to the second pair. So I swapped it over to the orange-white of the Cat6 cable you can see there. Still no joy. Now what I've done now is I've actually gone out to the looker box itself, which has the Telstra or NBN cable on it. Now this is the lead-in cable. So this cable goes straight out to the pit, to the FTTC box in the pit there, which has the fibre cable going to it. And then I've got a brand new lead that was given to the customer, and you can see here we've got all the 4 lights on here. The internet light's working, but it just doesn't pass any internet. So we're going to show you now. We're just going to try and open up an app here. Alright, let's just try and open something up there. So you can see it's just nothing's loading here. The Sydney Morning Herald doesn't try another one. Maybe just try Google or let's see. Just nothing going on. So I've tried this with my phone as well, and yeah, there's just no joy. Now they sent out one NBN technician, and he just goes, oh, it's all connected. They were supposed to send out another one, but he was a no-show, and then Optus has sent one tech out and one no-show for them as well. So this customer here, rightly so, is a bit upset about this, because this has been 3.5 months. And this needs to get fixed up. So this is 100% NBN issue. It's got nothing to do with the customer's internal cabling, because as you can see here, you've got a brand new socket with a brand new lead going down into the connection device. All the lights are on, but nobody's home. All right, back to you, NBN.